Swordfish, also known as broadbills, are large migratory fish. They are speedy, powerful predators and highly prized in the sport fishing community. These fish are named for their long, sword-like the flattened bill. Though they superficially look similar to other large billfish, they are actually in their own taxonomic family, and not closely related to other billfish like marlin or sailfish. Read on to learn about the swordfish. Description of the swordfish. These creatures have very hydrodynamic body shapes. They are usually around 10 feet long, though individuals nearly 15 feet long have been reported. Their characteristic, the sword is pointed at the end and flattened. The sword can grow to be as much as 2 feet long. This fish's dorsal fin is tall and narrow, and slightly curved backward. Interesting facts about the swordfish. These skilled predators use agility and power to capture prey. Though they are a tasty meal, there is more to swordfishes than their value for food and sport. Learn more about these unique creatures below. The first one, slice and dice. In contrast to what you may expect, they do not stab their prey with their sword. Instead, they slash back and forth to stun and injure fish before eating them. This is most commonly used for larger prey, and smaller prey is simply snatched up using impressive speed. The second one, speedster. The most important hunting tool this predator possesses is not their long bill, but their impressive speed. This impressive fish has been recorded swimming at speeds up to 60 miles per hour while hunting. This is just slightly slower than the fastest fish in the ocean, the sailfish. The third one, breach. While swimming at high speeds, these fish have been known to leap above the surface of the water in a behavior called breaching. Scientists believe that breaching could be a method of reducing parasites. The fourth one, precarious prey. A fully grown swordfish makes for one intimidating foe. With their dangerous bill, impressive speed, and large build, it takes a skilled predator to kill one of these fish. Their only natural predators are killer whales, and the speedy short-fin mako shark. The danger of hunting these fish is evident, as dead mako sharks with swordfish bills embedded in their skulls have been found on multiple occasions. Habitats. Generally an oceanic species, the swordfish is primarily a midwater fish at depths of 650 to 1970 feet and water temperatures of 64 to 71 degrees Fahrenheit. Although mainly a warm water species, the swordfish has the widest temperature tolerance of any billfish, and can be found in waters from 41 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. The swordfish is commonly observed in surface waters, although it is believed to swim to depths of 2,100 feet or greater, where the water temperature may be just above freezing. One adaptation that allows for swimming in such cold water is the presence of a brain heater, a large bundle of tissue associated with one of the eye muscles, which insulates and warms the brain. Blood is supplied to the tissue through a specialized vascular heat exchanger, similar to the counter-current exchange found in some tunas. This helps prevent rapid cooling and damage to the brain as a result of extreme vertical movements. Diet of the swordfish. These fish are piscivores, which means they prey on other fish species. Some common prey species include mackerel, barracuda, squid, herring, hake, lanternfish, rockfish, bluefish, cod, tuna, bonito, and butterfish. They use their sword to slash at prey, which stuns or injures them. Their impressive speed allows them to outswim their prey species. Swordfish and human interaction. Humans have fished for these powerful fish for hundreds of years. They were traditionally harpooned, which resulted in a long, strenuous battle. Their populations were heavily impacted by the introduction of long-line fishing, a fishing method where long lines with multiple hooks are left for long periods. This led to strong regulation of commercial fisheries, allowing swordfish populations to increase to sustainable rates. To avoid eating seafood that is unsustainable and at risk of extinction, please see Monterey Bay Aquarium. Does the swordfish make a good pet? They do not make good pets as they are much too large to keep in a home aquarium. Their speed also poses a danger to themselves if they collide with the sides of an aquarium. Swordfish care. We know little about what it would take to care for these fish in aquariums. They are immensely fast, which means that if they are startled and swim into the side of a tank, they can be mortally injured. Though we can attempt to replicate their natural prey, it is unlikely that they would be able to survive in aquariums. The behavior of the swordfish. These predators are solitary fish, but will occasionally aggregate in loose schools. When they are found in groups, they are usually separated by an average of 33 feet between individuals. While they are occasionally found basking at the surface of the ocean, during the day they are normally found much deeper. In the daytime, they are found at around 1,800 feet deep, and at night they swim to the surface to feed. Reproduction of the swordfish. Swordfish migrate to warmer waters to spawn. The larger the female, the more eggs she will produce, and some females have been recorded to release as many as 29 million eggs. They are oviparous, which means that they have internal fertilization and lay eggs. Only a small percent of eggs will mature into adults. Geographical distribution. The swordfish is found in oceanic regions worldwide, including the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. It is found in tropical, temperate, and sometimes cold waters, with a latitudinal range of approximately 60 degrees N to 45 degrees S. The swordfish is a highly migratory species, generally moving to warmer waters in the winter and cooler waters in the summer. It is often present in frontal zones, areas where ocean currents collide, and productivity is high. Few facts about swordfish that you must know. First one, bring on the heat. Swordfish are ectothermic animals, which means they are reliant on external heating methods when it comes to controlling their internal body temperature. However, these animals have special organs right next to their eyes for warming both their eyes and brains. The ability to heat their eyes improves the quality of their vision, and therefore it also increases their ability to hunt. The second one is the loneliest number. Swordfish do not swim in schools, and can often be found traveling alone. Sometimes you can see these creatures basking at the surface, or even breaching the water in a powerful jump. The third one, no predators, no problem. Full-grown swordfish, typically 4 to 5 years old, have very few natural predators. Juvenile swordfish are targeted by shortfin makos or killer whales, but they're a really intimidating prey. Some makos have been found with a broken sword in their heads. The fourth one, fast and furious. Swordfish, next to the marlin, are one of the fastest and most powerful fish in the ocean. When someone actually hooks one of these sport fish, they've been known to dive so fast and so furiously that they are on their swords into the ocean ground. The fifth one, wool mama. Externalization of fertilization. What does that even mean? The female swordfish, who is actually much larger than her male counterpart, ejects her eggs into the water, which are then fertilized by a flow of sperm from the male. So, today we are looking for some details about swordfish. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.